Hi, saya here. This is a random thought about my baby. I'm still wonder until now, actually, personally me with my car. Back then, I have my V. I mean like, I didn't own my V. It belongs to my mom. I drive my V. But there's no car. The car has never experienced any poop, bad poop. I mean like, birds pooping on my car. Even cats going up on my car. I mean like cats do come on top of your rooftop, your car roof of the car. Yet they don't frequently tend to go to your car regularly. But my car, that is number one. It's for my V. Number two, I own Viva Elite before. Same thing also. The Viva Elite had never experienced cat on top of it. Car on top of car. Even poop shit everywhere. None. And then come to my Peugeot. My Peugeot 208. The problem of the Peugeot, it didn't have any problem, but it's red. It has a beautiful color, red color, which is quite authentic. At the same time, I don't know why. Bird loves to put on it. Car daily basis, they come and sleep on my car. Cat. So usually I see dust printed paw, jelly bean. On the car. So yeah, that's about it. I don't know why. I'm wondering why. Ya, tengoklah tu bukan parking. Aku parking tempat betul. Kau jangan marah aku. You can marah I don't care. I do the right thing. So, where are we? Just now there's a car. I'm at McD right now waiting for my food. This is a dedicated space for drive-thru waiting for food. That space is not. Alam. The space is not. This alarm to sell is 50 minutes, not actually 10 minutes after. So we have another 5 minutes, so about 11:38. So it's not a dedicated space. I mean like 3 cars can run next to each other in this road lane. However, this is the only dedicated space for parking. That is none. And then that small car drive there and parking there temporary. And I think one to two cars is okay. They didn't like look strangely or anything, but that car, I think because it's quite big, the Wira, the other car is actually, mine is Mazda, the other car is actually Produk Kancil. So I think to go out for the Wira is a little bit sedan based, right? So maybe worried get hit or anything, and the driver stare at me. I stare back at the driver just now. It's not my problem, but I do want to see whether you scratch me or not. Like that lah. That's it. So I don't know why. I am wondering until now. And this car is red. It's a beautiful soul red crystal. This is like another very popping and pretty red color. More authentic. I mean like that one is also authentic, but this one is like, it's like glam. Very glam, just like me. So I wonder why. Is it because of the colour? But if you tell me about colour, I think most of the people got cars like this also. I don't know. I don't think they experience what I experience. I don't know why. My mom's car, my dad's car, my car is the most get hit from all this. Like they are having a crash to my car. I don't know why. I'm still wondering until now. Do you know why? Do you experience this kind of thing? Bye.